Hey boaters, today we're here at SkipperBud's quarterdeck marina in Sturgeon Bay, looking at a 4 Winds 234 Funship. This boat includes the custom tandem axle bunk trailer that she sits on. 23 feet, got a lot of space for your friends and family. Let's hop on board and take a look back here at the swim platform. We have Volvo Penta's dual prop outdrive with really great control at slow speeds in and around the marina, and of course nice hole shot. Love 4 Winds, big long ladders, easy to get on board. I'll hop up onto this big sizable swim platform. A lot of space back here for playing at the beach. Got a little cooler. A lot of nice storage for your lines and fenders here at the stern, as well as a little washdown hose there. Currently the bimini top is down in the storage position, but you can of course prop that up so you can walk underneath this with no issue. Also have a filler cushion for this spot here, but otherwise serves as a really nice walk-through transom area, so you don't have to step on your upholstery when you're getting in and out of the boat. So a lot of seating, a lot of storage underneath all the seats. Got a spot for a table here in the rear main cockpit, and then a nice full beam on this boat, full 8.5 feet wide. As we move forward, we got matching captain's chairs here, nice sporty comfy seats with bolstered seating, nice commanding helm with all your gauges, depth, hour meter, and then a nice upgraded Lowrance GPS unit that was installed by the owner. And then a little day head to keep you out on the water longer. This is a really sizable tall day head with your porta potty. And then moving forward, we have a lot of nice storage here. There's big storage underneath the helm. You also have the stereo head unit, and then storage for your filler cushions, and then other gear you might have. Here you got your windscreen that you can close along with your walk-through windshield. Really protect yourself back in the rear cockpit. And this is pretty cool. We got ourselves a little sink here, a little trash receptacle, and then some additional storage space to throw your goodies. And then one of the best parts about this boat, the bow is just massive. Carries a nice full beam for some extra length here to give you some additional space for nice comfortable seating. A huge ski locker in the floor. Got a few things down here right now, some extra fenders, lines. There's the removable table, and then of course there's storage underneath all the seats here. It's all nice and carpeted. Boat comes with lines, fenders, anchor, everything you need to hit the water. You have anchor locker up front here in the bow, as well as another drop down ladder if you want to get on and off from the front, and then a removable cushion again so you're not stepping on your cushions, and a nice little cooler with a drain plug built in. So a lot of space and ready to hit the water. If you want to take a closer look, give us a call or stop on in here at SkipperBud's Quarterdeck Marina. Hope to see you soon.